When you click on the Resources link in the left-hand navigation, you'll see a wealth of background information which will help both your studies and your musical enjoyment. The first is the Naxos Dictionary of Music. This comprehensive database presents the most important words in the musical language. Use the quick search box at the top to find any term quickly. For example, cantabile or buffo, gamba. Let's click on the viola da gamba entry here to see the full details. In this entry there's a description of the term, followed by a notation example, and then audio clips. At the top of the page is also a link to an alphabetical list of all entries. Just select the letter and browse the available descriptions. The guided tours are a great way to get acquainted with key works from a period or subject. Let's click on Classical Era to see the contents. The left side of the screen shows me an overview of the key composers and their music. Selecting any of the composers will display an introduction on the right and a selection of suggested listening, with asterisks denoting key works that deserve more attention. Clicking on any of the works in the description will start playing that work in the player. As always on the site, you can hide the player and continue browsing other content. Back on the Resources main page, the country study guides present the world of classical music and beyond for teaching environments in the respective country. So the United Kingdom study guide reflects the curriculum presented to school-age pupils studying for music exams. The left column presents an overview of the subjects included. Clicking on any of the subjects covered, for example binary and ternary form, will display the content on the right-hand side. Here the subject is explained and examples given. The useful thing here is that you can click on any of the musical works included and the recording will start playing in the player view. Again, here we can hide the player and continue browsing. There are many other sections to be explored, including opera, libretti and synopses, and the junior section with some great content for younger listeners, such as the story of classical music, an interactive guide for young listeners. The pronunciation guides present an alphabetical list of artists, composers, and musical terms, with recordings of native speakers saying the words. If, like me, you have to think twice before saying onega and hindemith, you'll find this very useful.